In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find the mean, median and mode on a Casio FX-9860GII graphing calculator. And for this video, we're going to focus on solving a simple worked example. So we're going to find the mean, median and mode of the numbers shown on the left. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 3, 4 and 5. And to do this calculation, we need to first put the calculator into the correct mode. So we want to press menu, and then obviously we're doing statistics, so we're going to be in option 2, which is the stat mode. This will then open up a window where you can now enter all of the data. You'll notice that there's already some data in here, which you need to clear out first. So to clear the data, you have to press F6 to get to the next menu, and then we've got del A, which stands for delete all. So we press F4, and we have to confirm with button F1 that we do want to delete all of this, and now that's all been cleared. So we can enter the data, so 1, then 2, then the 2 3s, then 4, then 5. I'm pressing execute each time to confirm the data point. So that's all of the data entered. You've got a tracker here that's counting the number, so you can always check that you've got 6 numbers and 6 numbers here. So that's one way to validate what you're doing. We now need to do the calculation with one var calc is what we're looking for. So we press F6, we're doing calculation, so let's look at calc on F2, and then we've got one var here, so press F1, and that opens up the calculator here. So this has done loads of different calculations, so the next step is to pick out what you need. So X bar stands for mean, that's 3, then we go down, keep going down, then you'll get median, which is 3, keep going down, and then you get to mode, which is also 3. So that is how you do the calculation on this calculator. I hope that this video was helpful to you. If it was, please like and subscribe below. And finally, thank you very much for watching.